Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 29th November 2024. In this video, I will teach you top 20 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. What is India's rank in the 2024 Network Readiness Index? Answer is 49th. India was ranked 49th in the Network Readiness Index 2024, published by the Portulans Institute and the SET Business School at the University of Oxford on 21st November 2024. Last year, India was ranked 60th, and this year, it has improved its rank by 11 positions. The United States of America led the Network Readiness Index for the third consecutive year, followed by Singapore. Question number 2. What is India's rank in the Climate Change Performance Index, CCPI 2025? Answer is 10th. India has secured the 10th position in the Climate Change Performance Index, CCPI 2025, published jointly by Germanwatch, New Climate Institute, and Climate Action Network International. This ranking reflects India's efforts to address climate change. Denmark tops the list, followed closely by the Netherlands and the UK. In contrast, major emitters like China and the USA rank 55th and 57th, respectively. Question number 3. Indian Coast Guard has commenced its two-day SAREX 24 exercise in which city? Answer is Kochi. The Indian Coast Guard has commenced its two-day National Maritime Search and Rescue Exercise and Workshop, SAREX 24, in Kochi, Kerala, on 27 November 2024. The SAREX 24 exercise was inaugurated by Defence Secretary Rajesh Kumar Singh. The theme of SAREX 24 is Enhancing Search and Rescue Capabilities through Regional Collaboration. The 11th edition of SAREX, which held on the 27th and 28th November 2024. Question number 4. Who will host the 2024 India International Science Festival? Answer is IIT Guwahati. The Indian Institute of Technology, IIT Guwahati, will host the 10th India International Science Festival 2024 from 30th November to 3rd December 2024. The 10th India International Science Festival theme is Transforming India into an S&T-driven global manufacturing hub. The 9th edition of the India International Science Festival 2023 was held in Faridabad, Haryana, from 17 to 20 January 2024. Question number 5. India's first green hydrogen fueling station has been inaugurated in which city? Answer is Leh. Amara Raja Infra, part of the $2 billion Amara Raja Group, has completed the setup of India's first green hydrogen fueling station in Leh, Ladakh, for NTPC Limited. The station, designed to produce 80 kilograms of green hydrogen daily, supports NTPC's green mobility initiatives under the National Hydrogen Energy Mission. Located in Leh, at an altitude of 3,400 meters, the station was inaugurated by Union Power Minister Manohar Lal. Question number 6. What is the range of the K4 missile was developed by the DRDO? Answer is 3,500 kilometers. K4 is a nuclear-capable submarine-launched ballistic missile developed by the Defence Research and Development Organisation, DRDO. Indian Navy has successfully tested a nuclear-capable K4 missile from its nuclear-powered submarine, INS Arighat. The range of the K4 SLBM is 3,500 kilometers. The INS Arighat submarine can carry 4 K4 missiles. Question number 7. Hemant Soren was sworn in as Jharkhand Chief Minister for how many times? Answer is 4th time. Jharkhand Mukti Morcha leader Hemant Soren was sworn in as the Chief Minister of Jharkhand on 28 November 2024 for the fourth time. Hemant Soren, who led the ruling India Alliance. The India Alliance won 56 seats in the 81-member Jharkhand Assembly. Hemant Soren was first sworn in on 13 July 2013 and remained in office until 28 December 2014. His second term was from 2019 to 31 January 2024, and his third term was from 4 July 28 November 2024. Question number 8. Recently, the world's oldest man, John Tinniswood, died at what age? Answer is 112 years. John Tinniswood, born in Liverpool, UK, on 26 August 1912, was recognized as the world's oldest man after the death of Venezuelan Juan Vicente París in April 2023. He passed away peacefully at the age of 112 in a care home in Southport, England, on 25 November 2024. As of 27 November 2024, Tomiko Ituka of Japan is the world's oldest living person at 116 years and 188 days old. As of 26 November 2024, the oldest living verified man is 112-year-old João Marino Neto of Brazil, born 5 October 1912. Question number 9. Which state is the host of 12th edition of International Tourism Mart? Answer is Assam. Kaziranga in Assam has organized the 12th International Tourism Mart from November 26 to 29, 2024. It is organized by the Ministry of Tourism. The event promotes Northeast India's tourism potential to domestic and international visitors. Kaziranga National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its one-horned rhinoceros, serves as the event's backdrop. About 400 participants, including tour operators, hoteliers, entrepreneurs, influencers, media, and officials, are attending. Question number 10. National Anti-Doping Agency has banned wrestler Bajrang Punia for how many years? Answer is 4 years. India's Olympic medal-winning wrestler Bajrang Punia, who took part in protests against the country's former wrestling body chief in 2023, has been banned for 4 years for avoiding a doping test by the National Anti-Doping Agency, NADA, on 26 November. Bajrang Punia, 30 years old, who won bronze at the Tokyo Olympics, had been provisionally suspended on 23 April 2024 for refusing to provide a urine sample to National Anti-Doping Agency, NADA officers. Question number 11. Who has been appointed as the new chief of BrahMos Aerospace? Answer is Dr. Jaitirtha Raghavendra Joshi. Dr. Jaitirth Raghavendra Joshi has been appointed as the new chief of BrahMos Aerospace, the organization behind the world's most potent supersonic cruise missile system. Dr. Joshi will officially assume his position on 1 December, succeeding Atul Dinkar Rane, who has led the organization since 2021. BrahMos missile, a supersonic cruise missile capable of achieving speeds of Mach 2.8 and boosting a range of 800 kilometers. Question number 12. Who was appointed as Festival Ambassador for Arunachal Rang Mahotsav 2024? Answer is Pankaj Tripathi. Pankaj Tripathi has been appointed as the Festival Ambassador for the Arunachal Rang Mahotsav 2024. The Arunachal Rang Mahotsav, the largest of its kind in Northeast India, is set to run from 29 November 2024 to 5 December 2024 in Arunachal Pradesh. The festival aims to celebrate the rich cultural heritage of the state and its remarkable theatre traditions. Question number 13. India won how many medals at the World Military Wrestling Championships 2024? Answer is 7 medals. The 37th World Military Wrestling Championships take place from November 18 to 24, 2024, in Yerevan, Armenia. India won 7 medals, including 3 golds, at the World Military Wrestling Championships 2024, with Ritika Hooda, Jyoti Sehag, and Jaideep clinching gold in their respective categories. This marked the first time India sent a women's contingent to the championships, with Priyanka earning bronze in the 68 kilograms category. Question number 14. Which union minister has launched the third edition of the national campaign Nayi Chetna? Answer is Shivraj Singh Chauhan. The Union Minister of Rural Development and Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare, Shivraj Singh Chauhan, launched the third edition of the national campaign Nayi Chetna Pehal Badlav Ki in New Delhi on 25 November 2024. The campaign is organized by the Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana National Rural Livelihoods Mission under the Ministry of Rural Development and will run across all states and union territories until 23 December 2024. Question number 15. Which union minister has launched the Teacher app? Answer is Dharmendra Pradhan. Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan has introduced the Teacher app. It is a revolutionary digital platform designed to transform education in India. This app, developed by the Bharti Airtel Foundation, empowers teachers with future-ready skills to meet the demands of modern classrooms. It aligns with the vision of NEP 2020 to promote continuous teacher development through innovation and technology. Question number 16. Which Indian company has collaborated with Drik Green Power Corporation Limited to develop a 5,000 megawatts green energy project in Bhutan? Answer is Tata Power. Tata Power has partnered with Drik Green Power Corporation Limited to develop at least 5,000 megawatts of clean energy generation capacity in Bhutan, harnessing the country's vast hydropower potential. The project includes 4,500 megawatts of hydropower and 500 megawatts of solar power capacity, demonstrating Tata Power's commitment to renewable energy and sustainable development in the region. Question number 17. Who has approved a $200 million policy-based loan to support Sri Lanka's financial sector? Answer is ADB. The Asian Development Bank, ADB, has provided a significant boost to Sri Lanka's financial sector with a $200 million policy-based loan. This loan, the second subprogram under ADB's Financial Sector Stability and Reforms Program, aims to stabilize Sri Lanka's economy and address the ongoing financial crisis. Question number 18. European Space Agency's mission Proba 3 will be launched by. Answer is ISRO. The Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, is set to launch the European Space Agency's Proba 3 mission on 4 December 2024, using its PSLV-XL rocket from the Satish Dhawan Space Centre, Sriharikota. This pioneering mission will study the Sun's corona, the outermost and hottest layer of the Sun's atmosphere, through an artificial solar eclipse created by 2 satellites flying in precise formation. Proba 3 consists of 2 small satellites, a coronagraph spacecraft and a solar disk-shaped occultus spacecraft. Question number 19. India's first AI laboratory in space is set to launch by. Answer is Take Me to Space. Hyderabad-based space tech company Take Me to Space is set to launch the My Orbital Infrastructure Technology Demonstrator, MOITD, India's first AI laboratory in space, aboard ISRO's PSLV C-60 rocket in mid-December 2024. This mission will enable real-time in-orbit data processing, drastically reducing data transmission costs and opening space research to a broader audience. Question number 20. International Day of Solidarity with the Palestinian People is observed every year on. Answer is 29th November. Since 1978, 29th November has held a significant place on the global calendar as the International Day of Solidarity with the Palestinian People. The International Day of Solidarity with the Palestinian People is an unorganized observance. Israel is committing genocide of the Palestinian people. As of November 2024, Israel has killed over 43,000 Palestinians in the Gaza Strip. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.